Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my authentic rice and peas. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kylie J's Kitchen. You can also go ahead and follow me on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So I went ahead and cooked my peas until it is soft, and basically I cook these peas for roughly about 25 minutes. I cook it in the pressure cooker then I allow it to cool down and I throw it out in a different pot. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and just crush one of the peas and show you it's really soft. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and season my pot for my rice and peas. So I'm gonna add some salt, and again guys, you don't necessarily have to add salt because I know some people don't like to cook with salt. That is fine. I also went ahead and add some coconut milk powder. And just a reminder, if you have authentic coconut milk at home, you can always go in and use your authentic coconut milk instead of the coconut milk powder. Again, I know a lot of persons don't like the coconut milk powder, alright? And that is okay, alright? Use whatever you have at home. Remember to utilize whatever is in your fridge. Remember, cooking is about being creative. Remember to be you in the kitchen, alright? So I'm going to go in and add my seasoning, and my seasoning consists of my thyme, my scallion, my pimento berries, and also Scotch bonnet pepper, and I will also add a small piece of butter, alright? Then I'm going to combine everything together, and you always want to taste. And then I'm going to leave this to cook for roughly about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so while it's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and wash my white rice, and I'm going to use 1.5 cup of white rice. Alright, so stay tuned for all of that. So after 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's all cooked down. So now it's time to go ahead and add my washed rice. So as per usual, I'm going to go ahead and add the rice, and you want to ensure that you combine everything together. And at this point, I'm going to remove some of the water from my rice and peas because I realize that too much water is in there. So I'm going to remove some of the water because we don't want too much water in there. We want our rice and peas to be really shelly. And we're not going to throw away the water just in case we need to add some additional water, right? So I'm going to put the water that I'm removing just to the side, just in case we're going to need it. And then I'm going to cover this, leave this for roughly about 7 minutes. Or until most of the water boil out. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys what I'm going to do next, alright? Alright guys, so now that most of the water boil out of my rice and peas, what I like to do, I like to go ahead and add a piece of foil paper. But before I add the foil paper, the water that I removed from the rice earlier, I'm going to add a small amount back to the rice and peas, alright? Then I'm going to add the foil paper over it because I want my rice to be really shelly, and I think the foil paper help it to just give it a nice shelly look. Alright, so I'm gonna add the foil paper, cover this, and leave this for another roughly about another 7 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is my rice and peas all shelly and ready. So I'm gonna basically serve this up and show you guys the final product of my authentic rice and peas. Alright, alright guys, so this is the final product of my authentic rice and peas. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and subscribe and check the description box for all of the recipe used in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.